Welcome this video. Create a provide fence for your backyard that incorporating Trellis do not have to break the bank with some creating and researching fail. You can design an attractive the and functional that provide privacy supported companion plants and enhance your outdoor space. Here are seven budget-friendly ideas to inspire your project. Recycle pellets are an influence size and various material of build fence. Main business give away pallet for free or sale then at a low cost that create a trellis provide fence. Step first. Pallet are used that salt and convenient be basic frame. Plant the pallet to provide then for water and give them a published look. Leaf fence with trellis. Leaf frame convenient the trellis structure with dew plants or give for mean natural provide. Build a simple trellis use wood, salt, litter fence. Plants fast growing shade. Convenient plants such as provide window or growing. Trend the plant to give among the trellis. Almost it's take time of the plants to fit out this other provide then eliminate friend and various appear salt. Thank you for watching this video.